Hi students, today we are going to see about a new topic, ordering of numbers. Ordering of numbers. These are the keywords of ordering of numbers, ascending order and descending order. There are two orders. First we are going to see about ascending order. Ascending order is arranging the numbers from smallest to largest. Arranging the numbers from smallest to largest is the ascending order. Look at here. There are 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas and 4 bananas. It was increasing. So the numbers from smallest to biggest is the ascending order. Next we are going to see about descending order. Descending order is decreasing order. The number from biggest to smallest is a descending order. For example, look at here. 4, 3, 2, 1. The number was decreasing. So number from biggest to smallest is a descending order. I'll show you one video.
Ordering of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kavita arranged her toys in an order. Shall we guess it? According to the number of wheels, Kavita arranged her toys in an order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers have been arranged from the smallest to the biggest. 1, 2, 3, 4. This order of arrangement is called ascending order. Four, 3, 2, 1. This order of arrangement is called descending order. Arranging the numbers in order from the smallest to the biggest is known as ascending order. From left to right, 5, 7, 9, 10. Just keep them from right to left. 10, 9, 7, 5. Arranging the numbers in order from the biggest to the smallest is known as descending order. Shall we arrange the names of the things in alphabetical order? Cap, doll, ball, apple. A, apple. B, ball. C, cap. D, doll.
Now shall we see the book exercise? Okay, we will move on to our book exercise. Look at your first sum. Count the given things and write there in the boxes. Arrange in ascending and descending orders. Count the given things and write them in the boxes. First, we want to count the number of pictures, and after that we want to write the answers in the box. Okay, look at here. Count the given things. First, we want to count the number of pictures. Write them in the boxes. After that, you want to write the answer in this box. Okay, count the number of pictures and write the answer in this box. Next part is arrange in ascending and descending orders. After that, we want to arrange in ascending and descending orders. Okay, question has two parts. First part is count the given things and write them in the boxes. Count the number of pictures and write the answer in the box. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write the 13 in this box. Ma'am, I wrote already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 already I have wrote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Okay. After that, we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. 13, 8, 10, 12. Arrange these numbers in ascending and descending orders. Okay. First, we are going to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order. After that, we are going to arrange in descending order. First, we are going to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order is arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. This 4 numbers, which is the smallest number? Look at here. In ascending order, we are going to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. 8 is the smallest number comparing to these 3 numbers. Okay. 8. First, we are going to write 8. In this 4 number, 8 is the smallest number. So, first we want to write 8 in the first box. Okay. 8 is the smallest number. You know already which is bigger number and which is smallest number? 8. Next, in this 3 numbers, which is the smallest number? 13, 10, 12. Which is the smallest number? 10. Very good. Next, 12, 13. Which is the smallest number? 12. Next, the last number is 30. 8, 10, 12, 13. The number is increasing. So, this is a ascending order. Numbers from smallest to biggest is the ascending order. Next, we are going to arrange these 4 numbers in descending order. Descending order is bigger to smaller. This 4 number, which is the bigger number? 13. This 3, 12 is the biggest number. Next, 10 and then 8. The number was decreasing. Look at here. The number from biggest to smallest is a descending order. Periya number lande chinna number eludradhu is a descending order. Okay. Bigger to smaller is descending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest. Descending means biggest to smallest. Like this only we are going to do the second sum also. Okay. Count the given things. First count the number of books and write the answer in the box. Okay. After that we are going to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay. Like the first sum only we are going to do the second sum also. Next, write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. 4 number is given for you. You are going to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay. 9, 5, 7, 3. 4 number is given for you. We are going to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order and descending order. First, we are going to arrange ascending order. 9, 5, 7, 3. Which is the smallest number? 3 is the smallest number. This 4, 3 is the smallest number. So write 3 because ascending order is smallest to biggest. So first we want to write smallest number. 3, 5, 7, 9 is a ascending order. Next we are going to write a descending order. 9, 7, 5, 3. Descending order is bigger to smaller. So biggest to smaller we want to write. 9, 7, 5, 3. This 4 number 9, 7, 5, 3 is the descending order. Like this we are going to do the second and third sum. Okay, we will see the next topics in the next class. Bye, cuties. Take care.